This is a short tutorial on how to get set up with Soundbite. To synchronize your organization to Soundbite, you're going to go to the admin settings portion of Soundbite. As you can see here, I have Teams, Users, and Sync. The Sync is designed to integrate with your Active Directory to pull in your groups, users, and mail distribution list. Any of these will help populate Soundbite with your users and groups. When you add a user or remove a user, Soundbite will automatically update on a nightly basis. To get set up, you're simply going to add your tenant ID to Soundbite and then click Save. You'll give permission to Soundbite to be able to read user information and emails to help populate our users. As you can see here, you have the option to synchronize all groups, selected groups, or no groups. Most customers will start by selecting unique groups for Soundbite in a pilot, and then to move into wider distribution by synchronizing all groups. You can also choose to select all users, no users, or selected users. The users will automatically come across with the groups, so oftentimes you'll either choose selected users or all users. Then click Sync and check back in the next morning when the sync has run, and you'll see that your Soundbite application is ready to go. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening. Have a great day.